Here we'll see how to use template projects to do some standard processes. You can have a library of template projects, each of which describes a specific process, and the collection of steps involved when doing something. Here we have a standard project that the Acme Network Company might want to do. Each step has an expected completion time, often shown in days, and a certain role or person that should do the job. You can build many steps into each project. For demonstration, I am using a very simple 3-step project. To launch a project, you go to the customer who needs the work done. Then go to the project section and choose the template project that you want to use. You can restrict this list to certain projects only being available to certain customers if you want. It will ask you who should do the engineering work, and if you had multiple roles, it would ask you who should do each of those roles. For instance, who should do the engineering work, who should do the implementation work, who should do the training work, and so on. Once I have launched the project, it will project when it will finish, taking into account there is a weekend. Those tasks can then simply be assigned to whomever I choose. In this case, the site survey needs to be done and is assigned as if it were a service ticket. And when the individual is finished with it, they mark it as completed and move on. All the detail that they need to do their job is included. As soon as the first job is done, Pulse launches the second job, and it cycles through them until the last one is completed. You can see that the person who is supposed to do the work can see what was done in the previous step. If the project manager needs to see what's done, he can go to the project view. In this example, the project manager sees that the project will finish on Friday now because the step was finished ahead of schedule. This means that you can keep track of these projects as they change. As well as this, you can also be alerted if something changes via email.